Good afternoon to the Creole community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowanyi, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, this is Monday afternoon, and wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good morning, good evening. Today is another wonderful day, another mass adoption training day. So, guys, don't forget, by 4 p.m. West African time, we'll be having our mass adoption training where we meet with our TBC admin, the creator of TBC himself. So you can come to learn and to share. So guys, 4 p.m. West African time, make it a date. Guys, I just want to share some quick reflections with us all. Now, if you look at the screen, you will see your salary is the bribe they give you to forget your dreams. Guys, there is an article that I quote and which I just want to read. Think like you have no degree and embrace TBC, otherwise you will die poor. After graduating, I was lucky to get a job in a bank earning 100,000 a month. At first, I thought this was much money, but after working for over 7 months and I had no achievement, not even a single savings, I made a hard decision to resign. I decided to think like I had no degree. I actually forgot that I had even gone to ABU. The meaning of ABU is Ahmadu Bello University with a bachelor's in accounting. I went back to my mother's home, and that's how my story of entrepreneurship started without capital. I will stop here with my story to be continued. Guys, I hope the writer of this piece give us the concluding part. But guys, wait what? He said something. He says things have changed. So we must change too. It's now making some illustrations that universities in the country in the 70s used to produce 1,000 graduates each year, and they will get jobs even before finishing, before graduating from the school. But now, each year we graduate over 100,000 from over 30 universities and 100 institutions. Most of the educated people in Africa are poor, not because they are dense, but the way they see things just don't apply to the real world. Are you among them? The biggest excuse for getting paid such low amount of money and having to sit and work for another person for 30 days is the degree. This has made most of degree holders very poor and will die that way most likely. I can see someone there from your you are saying, God forbid, then you need to take action right away. A degree holder does not know how to generate money, even from the simplest things, unless the money is generated for the employer. He is so dependent on the salary that he can do anything to get a job, but will not think of starting a business or his own to employ others, not even operate a chapati business where he can make 30,000 a day. A degree holder is not prepared to start a company and grow it in 2 to 3 years, but will spend 4 years searching for a job and work for 30 years pushing another person's dream. A degree holder is so eager to get out of this country and work in another country than spend time to develop its own country by creating solutions and innovations. A degree holder in Nigeria will watch movie and music on his laptop all time, but never to write a book or research about business opportunities using the same laptop to make money. They spend much on airtime and data calling and chatting with friends about football, music, outing, but never for business. Are you among this category of people? A degree holder will blame the government for lack of jobs even when he was on government bursary for him to have his degree. Why are the degree holders poor? Because they have decided to pride themselves in the degree and fail to think better than a man who does not have even a certificate to his name. They refuse to think outside the box. If you want to progress, throw away that degree and start thinking better than someone without a degree. Have an open mind and start anything that can make you money. Be prepared to get your hands dirty and work like ox for your business. TBC has come to restore lost hope. Guys, I am a testimony of TBC. We have been in TBC since 2016, since inception, and I can tell that TBC is worth it. We have built it to the extent that those who are coming to TBC now have really come to enjoy. Ask how you can maximize the opportunities in TBC. Get registered today. Below this video, you will see a link. Click on that link to register. Call the lines there to come on board. Guys, there is a lot of abundant opportunities in TBC. Don't waste time. Come on board. So, guys, share this with all graduates, especially all graduates. And I urge you, let them come on board. TBC will absorb them and they will never remain the same. We have what is called work today, get paid today. In TBC, we believe in abundance. So, guys, look forward to see you. Also, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, click on that button by your right hand side and subscribe so that you always have a first-hand information when the video is uploaded. Thank you very much. Catch you later.